3, Nugget, rebound by Tablang. Tablang, 2 points. G Tablang, 2-0. Bernabe, 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Bernabe, Nugget, rebound by Almario, 2 points. All 2. Pulache, pass to Tablang. Tablang, 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Tumano. 10 seconds to Tumano. Take it to Nugget. Rebound by Almario. Pass to Jersey. 12 minutes and 12 seconds. To Bernabe. Bernabe. Nugget. Rebound by Almario again. Foul. Foul by Jersey. May ano yan ha? May 5 fouls ha? 5 fouls. Free throw ha?
Ginoliga, ano?
10 seconds to shoot. Jersey, what a play. Jersey, 8 seconds to shoot. Nugget, rebound by Olin. 14 seconds to shoot. Olin, Nugget, rebound by Almario. Almario, ang laki niyan. Nugget, rebound by Tablang. All 2. 11 minutes and 36 seconds. Pass to Tablang. Tablang, all alone. Nugget, Tablang pa rin. Tablang pa rin. 2 points. G, Tablang, counted. Counted. 4-2. May counted na yan, boss Pat. May counted pa rin. Tapos 5 foul, ha? 5 foul. Jersey. 17 seconds to shoot. Foul. First personal foul. 11 minutes exactly. Ingat, Sean. Ingat. 2 points. 6-2. Ay, 6-4. Ay, all 4 lang pala. All 4 lang pala. All 4. Foul. First personal foul. First team foul. All 4. 10 minutes and 38 seconds. All 4. $15 seconds to shoot. Pulache is still by Olin to Bernabe. Bernabe pass to Brin. 2 points. Chano, Brin. 6-4. Change favor. In favor of Pat Jersey team. $15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Tablang. Tablang. 2 points. Deadlock all 6. 9 minutes and 59 seconds. Spin move, pass to Almario. Almario pa rin is steal by Opina. Deose, what a spin. 12 seconds to shoot. Pass to Kirk. 10 seconds to shoot. Tumano, no good. Rebound by Jersey. 6-4 in favor of Pat Jersey team. Bernabe, short jumper, no good. Rebound by Olin. Steal by Tumano. To Bennett. 12 seconds to shoot. Jose. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Kirk, no good. No good foul. Second team foul. 9 minutes exactly. Score 6-4 in favor of Pat Jersey team. $12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 6 seconds. 4 seconds. 2. Good ball. Rebound by Olin. Pass to Jersey. 8 minutes and 29 seconds. To Bernabe. Alley-oop pass to out of bounds. Good ball. Jose. Pass. What a pass. Alley-oop sana. No good. Rebound by Brin. Steal by Tumanot. Tumanot pa rin. Looper shot. No good. Rebound by Tablang short jumper. 2 points. Si Tablang. Deadlock. All 6. All 6 lang, all 6.
Pang-apat ko yung pangatlo ko yun, yung nakapeke ako eh. Pang-apat ko na yun.
Lumang na kayo? 8-6, sige, 8-6, 8-6. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Steve by Pulache. Pulache nauna na si Kenneth. Nugget, rebound by Sir Pat. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Last possession before change. Last possession. Nugget, rebound by Almario. Almario pass is still by Kurt to JL. Sumala tuloy pa. Change court na po. Change court. 7 minutes exactly. Score 10-6. 10-6 in favor of Team Tablang. Team Tablang. 10-6. 10-6. 10-6. Jersey. Step back shot. Nugget. Rebound by Kurt. Tablang nagmamadali. Tablang. 2 points. T Tablang. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. 12-6. 6-point lead by Team Tablang. Almario taking 3. Almario. 12-9. 3-point lead by Team Tablang. Diose taking 3. Kenneth Diose. 15-9. 6 minutes and 12. Ollie behind his back. Spin move by Ollie. 2 points. Lex solid. 15-11. 4-point lead. Tablang again. No good. Rebound by Ollie. 5 minutes and 56. 15-11. Olit na naman. Olit pa rin. 2 points. Lex solid. 15-13. 2-point lead na lang by Team Tablang. Short jumper ni Pulache. 2 points. Makmak. Pulache. 17-13. 17-13. In favor of Team Tablang. 17-13. 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Bernabe. Ang ganda pasa naman ali yung play. Kuha-kuha. 2 points. Pat Jersey. Assist by Bernabe. 17-15. Foul. First team foul. Reset yan. Reset team foul yan. Reset team foul. 17-15. 17-15 in favor of Team Tablang. 17-15. 17-15. To Mano. Pass to Opina. Take it 3. Kenneth. Dos lang. 19-15. 19-15. 4 minutes and 40. 15 seconds to shoot. Jersey. 12 seconds to shoot. Ang ganda pasa to Oli. 2 points. Lex solid. 19-17. 19. All alone si Kenneth taking 3. Nugget. Rebound by Tablang. 14 seconds to shoot. Ang ganda pa sa Mano. 10 seconds to shoot. Tumanat Nugget. Rebound by Olin. Exactly 4 minutes. Ang ganda side step naman noon. Deadlock. All 19. Lex solid. Deadlock. All 19. Deadlock. All 19. Change play ball. 21-19. JL to Mano. Nugget. Rebound by Pulache. 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Score 21-19. 21-19 in favor of Tablang team. Team Tablang. 21-19. 21-19. 3 minutes and 25 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. Nugget, rebound by Kurt. Wala pa rin rebound by Almario to Jersey. 21-19, Jersey, crossover move. Jersey, 2 points pa Jersey. Nagawa pa ng paraan. Deadlock all 21. 2 minutes and 55 seconds left. Pass to Polache. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Long two, no good rebound by Greg. Wala pa rin rebound by Almario to Jersey. Deadlock all 21. Oras. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. All 21. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Looper shot. 2 points. Number 12, Bernabe. Change favor. 23-21. Crossover move by Tablang. 15 seconds to shoot. Tablang. Steal by Brin. Last 2 minutes. Ating sa inyo ng Cobra Energy Drink. 2 points. Spot Jersey. 25-21. 4-point lead. Diose, titira ng tres. Wee! Kenneth. Ano, kayo dyan. Kayo mag-decision dyan. Kayo mag-decision dyan. Kayo mag-decision. Hindi ko nakita. Pag tres, 25-24. Pag hindi, 25-23. Tres. Binigay. 3. Kenneth Diose. 25-24. 1-point lead by Pat Jersey team. Oras, 1 minute and 39 seconds. 1 minute 38. Pat Jersey na naman. 2 points. Pat Jersey. 3-point lead. 27-24. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Jersey na naman. Nugget. Di ba by Kurt? 2 points. Kurt Bagunghanay. Oras. 1 minute and 17 seconds. 27-26. 1-point lead by Pat Jersey team. 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Almario, no good. Bola na. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds. Hindi tumama ng ring. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 3, 2, 1. Shoot ball. Rebound by Brin. Steal by Jose. 30 seconds left. Tumanot block. 25 seconds left. 15 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds left. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 8 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 7 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And of the ball game with a score of 29-26. 3-point lead by Pat Jersey team. Best player of the losing team, Mr. G. Tablang. And the double best player of the winning team, Pat Jersey and Lex Solid. Picture lang. Boss Lex, pwede pa picture on yan. Pa-picture. Boss G, picture ako.
Panasa mo lang. Baka may libas. Yan sa likod.